Igbo ndị mana ege ntị kenekwa m ụnụ mgbasa ọzọ ebe ebe niile na-enene masị m ihe ọma mere onye ọbụla biko gee ntị vidiyo anụ na afọ na-abụ vidiyo Ebonyi State Governor. See, I don't know why amụrụ m I just wish na onwe na-aga ekwu onwe na-agwa mmadụ mgbasasị I wish na ya enwe two president, two governors, one for ndị ezigbo mmadụ and one for ndị ajọ mmadụ. Ịbụla ajọ mmadụ whether ma n'ime mmụọ gị ka ị na-ezu ya n'ebe ajọ mmadụ pụta n'ezi na-eme ka ibe ezigbo mmadụ, you will still be suffering ihe ndị bad government ndị bad president na-eruru ha na-asọfa. Why nji wee kwuo okwu a lot of things na-eme in our society awa ekwugo m ya sị I chọọ ka anyị Igbo dị mma. Talking about anyị Igbo, we will start questioning our local government chairmen, our councillors, our senators, our representative before agbagotebe na ndị governors, vice governors. Kedu nke bụ na gọvanọ na-alụ ka ihe dị mma, unu esi n'azụ na-alụ government counterfeit, unu esi n'azụ na issue license, unu esi n'azụ na issue certificate that government emero approve because you have opportunity to ịmata one or two in the government house. Isizie n'azụ na bypass the protocol government na manufacture that thing on your own na pump it out in the public. Enwezi ihe ọbụla gọọmenti wepụta ebu free ije si n'azụ asị gị je ke isi n'azụ na-analụ ndị mmadụ ego for it. What is the level of wickedness ka anyị nwere n'ime anyị, especially enwe bụ ndị Igbo? Must everything be made out ka anyị wee were achụ ego? And that the same person pụta na-aba tomato gala n'ọnụ, ose gala ọnụ, onions adịrọ, rice adịrọ, ji gala n'ọnụ, fuel adịrọ, solar jikwa wee mee nke jikwa wee mee nke ọzọ. You can't even spend 100,000 in a month ka o zuzale gị as a commoner gịnị. Man, that small field you know name you are using it to bully and to make people life very unlivable. So unlivable or unlivable. That's in a make life had the whole on them can any ike. Why? What level of wickedness they are in him? Ebonyi Igbo keta na-aga n'ụzọ meti onye police ama ha na Ebonyi Igbo okwu na-change instantly. I have been a witness to it. I have encountered them. That is why I'm saying what I'm saying. Ihe na-aga n'ụzọ kịta ihe agbagide ihe niile ihe agba mana once ịbadatawa na Igbo ayi okwu na-echange. Ime ka isu gwa asa gbagide once ị na-ebata ha na 90 mile imiti police. Ọ bụ na police niile na-afụ n'ụgwọ asa na anaghị 1,000 nke ihe emiti na Igbo ayi anaghị 10,000. Edozim na onye fụ edum na ahịa onye ọma obe ego nkayo ya apụzi iche biko no. Nkayo ya apụzi n'iche. Odizi aka ndị Igbo na abroad ana aka anyị ejikọta onwe ha ọnụ karịzịa ndị nọ n'ụlọ. Ndị ha nọ n'izo sochwazi ha ya gbabata ime ụlọ ka udo chiala. Ọ bụrụzia gịwa na-anọ n'ime ụlọ ya na-eme onye batala abata to feel uncomfortable. What level of wickedness dị anyị n'ime ihe nka biko? What level of wickedness dị ndị mmadụ n'ime? Every day I complain Tinubu. Man, imagine that your chairman, local government chairman, that your councillor is doing worse now. Most times here na batahanaka, but they will choose to corner it. I na school, they will choose for you to buy it so that I will enrich you. Onadenoma. And then this video
Are you saying that today is the first day?
It's not as if I wanted to come on a Saturday.
No, are you saying that today is the first day you're loading this thing here?
For the first time.
For the first time.
I have not met that man before. That Mr. I don't even have his number.
Have you ever come to answer this question?
Have you ever come to still very valid?
All of them. These are materials that don't meet all this congested area. So we now needed to move out.
Where are you from?
From our house.
Okay. Take one of these. Look, I read what is there. Read it out.
Diet Management Information System Daily General Attendance Register.
When did you expire?
It's 2013 version.
When did it expire?
This one expired 2019. You have the 2019 version now. Currently.
Where is it?
In use.
Where is
It's
it?
with the NHMIS. The NHMIS have it.
They arrest him. What is there? Bring it out. Read what it is.
It's a non-polio vaccination card.
Huh?
It's a non-polio vaccination card.
Okay. Has it expired?
We're not using this one again.
Did this one expire?
This is outdated for us now.
Do you have the new one?
Yes, we have a new one.
Where is it? Non-polio.
Yes, non-polio.
Non-polio.
Yes.
Get one card here.
This one is done because why this one was updated is because it's specifically for meningitis. So now when they now saw that there's need to produce a non-polio vaccination card that integrates all the vaccinations we do for non-polio, they now produce the one that is not specifying meningitis. That's why they wrote it.
See it. Where did they write it? Let me see it. Show me where they write that this is meningitis. Show me. Because you said it's only for meningitis. Show me.
Because it's written here.
Show me that card you have. Is it updated?
Yes.
So which one is replacing it?
Well, 2019.
Where is it here?
That's one I said is with the NHMIS. The NHMIS people have it.
Oh my God.
So you are discarding what?
It's before its arrival.
What you
No,
don't
it's there
have.
already. That's the one in use.
Yes,
The one in use.
Philip, so you can give the fact.
It's updated too.
No, this one is not addicted.
Philip, Commander.
And I can sincerely swear that I don't know why they are doing anything with this one.
This
What
one
else
also.
This one is not also addicted.
But you sold this one too.
I did not, sir. Your Excellency. Because maybe I'm not there. They think they want to do what they feel they want to do behind me.
But the guy said he sold everything. Call the guys. Let's see
Yes.
Where is that?
The buyer.
All of them. Okay. Oh, okay. Part of what these people supposed to do.
Behind him.
Is that true? You, Hogan? He said that all these things is not what you're supposed to do. Is that true? That's what he said. That you're loading all these things because he's not here. Yes or no?
No, sir.
It's not true. Is that true?
Yes, sir. He says they were carrying it. I myself.
I said, is that true? He said you're loading all this because he's not here. That if he's here, you wouldn't have been loading it.
Yes, sir.
I said no, sir.
How much did you sell it?
120,000.
But you say 60,000.
Consequences. I just
You say 60.
Who gave the approval of the government?
I wrote to get approval from our executive secretary, but he was not in town, so he traveled.
What of the permanent secretary? What of the commissioner?
Yeah, they all
What of the
travel to
secretary
government.
to the government? Do you know how to sell government property? The obsolete one. Do you think that even me as a governor have rights to sell? Do you know it goes to the procurement council? And it's procurement council that will grant approval for you to say that this document or this property of government is unserviceable.
And they will engage this
Auctioneers.
Advertise.
even
And now we are talking of this. This is the register for antenatal, daily antenatal register. And you decided to sell it. Whereas we don't have one in our primary health care where this is supposed to be. They're using exercise book to write. I have seen it time without number. In our primary health care, and you have the opportunity to be a civil servant. And all these things are in your own custody and you're selling it. Today that is Saturday, you call somebody, a buyer, to come and start loading it. Now this is immunization register. Child immunization register. Please do not falsify any data. And they're selling it. The other one is non-polio vaccine cards. And they have loaded full vehicles. And this is not the first day. This is not the second day. This is not the third day. I have seen these vehicles here more than 4 times. In so many other days. But I never care to stop. I don't know the spirit that says we should turn today. And I said to my people, turn. For the first time, let me see what these vehicles are loading here. Even me, for not being in office for almost 2 years, I've sucked in more than 6 billion naira in buying equipment for the primary health care and the general hospitals. And this is exactly what you people, the storekeepers, are doing. And the general public are shouting every day. Our health facilities are getting total moribund. It's totally dilapidated. We need health facilities. We need health facilities. We need equipment in our health facilities. Then look at what the people are doing to government. I pity you.
What are you saying?
Your salary and what you are getting is more than this. Our children, our women are suffering every day.